Good morning, guys. This is Pushpak Raj, and today's topic is on the test scenarios on the watch list in the investment banking applications. You have know that, guys. There is a watch list in the investment banking applications. Like that, you have to create the watch list. Means whatever the users use the applications of investment banking application, they can easily analysis of the particular share, whatever the share they can save in the watch list. This is the format of watch list in the investment banking application. In this watch list, the users can enter the multiple shares like 50 share or 70 share according to the limit. Here the limit is 50 shares, so in that way users can add the 50 share in the watch list, so they can easily access or easily show the market price. Okay, so here is the watch list. There are the four watch lists here. I have mentioned the name, that is the share list 1, share list 2, up to the 4. Okay, so if you have to change the name, this is editable. Means you have to enter here the financial sectors, the medical sector, the industrial sector. So according to that you can add or edit the name also. Okay, or according to that you can add the shares, 50 shares on each list. Okay, so we are in the watch list page. This is the module of investment banking application, so it is important module. Okay, so if you have to click on anyone's shares, like suppose you have to click on the XYZ company share, then definitely you can reach on that sell page or buy page. If you have to buy the share, then you can reach on the buy page, or if you have to sell the share, then you can reach on the sell page. Here are the options like quantity, price, market orders, limit orders, stop loss market order. These are the types of orders, and these are the buy and sell. Means suppose you have to buy that shares, then at that time you can buy it, or you can sell it share, then at that time you can click on the sell, then that share will be sold out. So these are the scenarios of today's modules, that is the investment banking applications module. Okay, so let's see what is the scenario. In an investment banking application, user can create and manage the watch list to monitor a specific financial instrument such as stocks, bonds, commodities. The watch list functionality allow user to track the performance and changes in the prices of the instrument over a time. Means what they say, so in an investment banking application, user can create a manage the watch list to monitor a specific financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, and commodities. Means with the help of that, the users can analysis the watch list or the shares or bonds or commodities depending on the users. Okay, so that we have to test here. So what is the next? The precondition is firstly the user have an account. Means user have a valid account, is login to the instrument banking application. Means user have a valid credential, or user have an account in the in that particular brokers like angel brokings or Zerodha or whatever. There are the multiples brokers in the market, so they have an account in the particular broker, so that they can use that applications. Okay, so now move on the next steps, that is the steps. So first is the creating the watch list. How to create the watch list? First one is the from the application menu, dashboard, or navigation menu, the user click on the watch list or create the watch list option. Okay, so what they do, when he reach on the home page and he can click on the watch list, they can show that watch list. Okay, so watch list 1, watch list 2, in that way they can see that watch list. In that time users can edit, user can able to edit that watch list. Okay, or they can add the list, or they can add the shares in the watch list, that we have to check here. Okay, next one is the user is presented with the form of create a new watch list. Means user can create a new watch list, they are able to create a new watch list. The user is enter a unique name for the watch list. Means they can able to enter the unique name whatever I told you guys, and optionally add the brief description. Means they have to add the brief description. The user is click on the create or save button, finalize the watch list creation. Means after clicking on the save button, that watch list will be created. Means whatever the watch list we have created here, like XYZ company shares, ABC company shares, so in that way once you can add and click on save button, they can add that shares in the watch list. That is the case, guys. And the expected result is, so every time you have to create the expected result. Means whatever the format you can creating, and according to that whatever the expected result you want, you have to mention here in the organization. So expected result here, the user should receive a confirmation message indicate that the watch list was created successfully. Means you what after entering the or after adding the shares list here and after save that, you have to show the pop-up message that your watch list is saved properly. That is the our expected result that can show here. Okay, that is the expected result. Okay, move on the next, that is the view watch list. Means after adding the watch list, you have add that watch list xyz tata and pz. You can watch, means that watch list will be visible. Means suppose you have adding the 50 shares on every watch list, and after sometimes you have after some time or in every day you have to use that watch list. Means after click on the watch list page, you have to seen that watch list or not. Means you are adding the 50 shares here, and after second day you cannot see that watch list, so there is a no use. Means what is this thing is there, you have to seen that. Means after click on the watch list, you have seen that the 50 shares whatever they add in the yesterday. Okay, so that is the thing here. Okay, within the watch list, means from the application main dashboard or navigation menu, the user click on the watch list option. The user is taken the watch list page. There will be create a watch list are listed. The user click on the recently created text stock watch list, view the content. Means whatever I told you guys, whatever the stock add by the users, they can see on the watch list page. Okay, so that is the expected results. Okay, then move on the next one, that is the monitor changes. Monitor changes as the time progresses, the user revisits the text stock watch list page. The user observe the changes in the prices and percentage of each financial instrument on the watch list. The user verifies the watch list is dynamically updating with the real time data. Means what happening guys, whatever I told you every time about the investment banking application, the market is fluctuating. Market is not stop any one positions. Market is continuously fluctuating up down up down up down, and it is very sensitive information, because here a second information is important in the share market. So what is the real time data is going on, or what is the real time price is going on in the market in second to second, that will be updating or not in the application. That is important thing, so that need to be change check here. That is the expected result. Okay, so move on the next one, that is the error handling. The user try to create a watch list with an existing name. The user attempt to add a invalid instrument or non-exist symbol. The user enter the incomplete or incorrect information during the watch list creation. Means what they say, error handling means what. So in the watch list you can add the xyz company share or TATV or PZ set company share, and when you watch in the tomorrow, and you can see the different shares name like XYZ, you can see ABC TATV showing the PQR. So that is not a thing happening here, so that need to be check here. Okay, then move on the next one, that is the performance testing. So performance testing means the user create a watch list with a large number of financial instrument, example 100 plus. The user access the application responsiveness and loading time when viewing the watch list. Means suppose users have add the 50 shares, and they will take a more time to open that watch list, so though there is a no use. We want a second to second information. Means after clicking on the watch list, that 50 shares will be suddenly or immediately show in the watch list. So that is the important thing, no need to take a much more time. If they take the much more time, so that is also one thing guys, at the time of testing you have to check that it will not take the much more time. Okay, that is the expected results here. Okay, then move on the cross platform compatibility testing. The user access the instrument banking application and watchlist features from the various devices browsers, desktop, mobile, tablet. The user check whether the watchlist functionality works seamlessly across the different platform. Means what they said, the user not constant na guys, at the time of using the application they can use the mobile phones, tablets and the laptop, desktop, they can use any one platform. So our application will be supported on the every functional platform or not, that we have to check here. And someone use that application in this different browser also, with the help of link they can use in the different browsers, like someone use Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, Safari. So on the basis of that different browser also that application will perform the same work and working fine or not, that we have to check here. That is the expected result you have to check here. Okay, the post conditions are, so whatever the testing we have performed that are working fine perfectly, that we have to check here in the post conditions, that we have to give the conclusion here, guys. That is the final result. Okay, so that's all about the watch list of investment banking applications. Thank you guys for watching the videos. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe the video. Thank you guys, have a good day. And about such a kind of videos and there are the multiple share market related or the investment banking related or healthcare related videos I have created here of software testing and development purposes. So please hit the bell icon and like the video, subscribe the video. Thank you guys, have a good day.